I'm going to start. The name of the chapter is Our Clothes. This one. Our Clothes. Okay. Now look at your book. So your chapter start with a question. The question is, why do you think we need clothes? Why? We all wear clothes, but why we need it? We need clothes to cover our body. They protect our body from heat, cold, wind, and rain. And they make us look good and smart. So this is the reason we all wear clothes, as they protect our body from heat, cold, and wind and rain, and also they make us look good and smart. Now we are going to learn about clothes for different occasions. Occasion means for different purpose, for special event. So we wear different type of clothes for different occasions. Like we wear casual clothes every day. Casual. C-A-S-U-A-L. Casual mean normal dress that we used to wear in our home. Okay, those dress we used to wear in our home all time, they are known as casual. Casual dress mean normal dress. But we wear some special clothes. But we wear some special clothes on special occasions. Special occasion like birthday party, different type of festival. Okay, we like to wear different kind of clothes. They are known as special clothes. And there are some clothes that we wear in different season. So seasons are very important. As per season, we choose the dress, type of dress we choose. Okay. So now look at this box, treatlet box. It is written that some clothes are made of silk, and silk comes from silkworm. Silk comes from silkworm. From where do we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. Yes, Rajdi. Yes, Rajdi. Rajdi, I cannot hear you. Speak loudly. No, Rajdi. I also informed you earlier that your voice is not reachable. I can't hear you. Check your microphone. Rajdi, kindly check your microphone. This is SST book and we are doing chapter 6. Pratusha, yes, say. Unmute your device. Silkom. Silkom means guti poka. In Bengali, we call guti poka. It's a om, and from this om we get silk. That is why this om is known as silkom. Guti poka. Om mean also insect. Okay. Okay. Now go to the next page. So clothes of different season. Clothes of different season. Number one, clothes of summer season. Summer season means not now. We wear cotton cloth. We like to wear cotton cloth in summer season, and cotton cloth keep our body cool. We get cotton from the cotton plant, and that is why we like to wear cotton clothes. And also in summer season, we should wear light color cloth. Light color or sober color cloth because light color also keep our body cool, just like white, pink, light pink, any type of light shade dress and light color we should wear during summer days. Clothes of winter season. We wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter season, and woolen clothes keep our body warm. Keep our body mean warm mean woolen cloth like sweater, jacket keep our body hot. We get wool from sheep. And clothes of rainy season. You can see 3 pictures are there: raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. So raincoat, gumboots and umbrella, these are the things that we use in rainy season. So if I ask you that tell me the name of 3 items that we use in rainy season, your answer will be raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. In rainy season, when it rains, we wear raincoat and gumboot. They help us avoid getting wet. We also use an umbrella during rain. Very important line, plastic or rubber is used to make raincoats and gumboot. Can you tell me why plastic and rubber only used to make raincoat and gumboot? Why? Because plastic and rubber are the thing, they doesn't allow water inside. Okay, they doesn't allow water. That is why gumboots and raincoats are used by us during rainy season. They are because plastic and rubber, these are the waterproof item. So if I ask you, student, tell me the name of any 2 waterproof item, then you can tell me that plastic, rubber. Okay. And the last one is uniform. Uniform, you are very much known about this word. Some people do special job, they wear uniform. Now you can ask me, ma'am, we also do the class with in uniform. We also used to wear uniform. So we are also doing a special job. Yes, you are also doing a special job. When you are doing classes of your school, then you are absolutely doing a special job, because when you are doing the class, you all are considered as a student of St. Xavier's. You all are under a school. That is why uniform known as special dress. Uniforms are known as special dress. And the last one, taking care of clothes. How should we take care of our clothes? We should wash and iron our clothes every day, regularly, and we must always wear clean clothes. Understand? Okay. Now, no need to do exercise B. Just only do exercise A. Only do exercise A with me. Only exercise A. Because exercise B we will do tomorrow. Only do exercise A. This one. And those who already completed, kindly wait. Let me unmute you all so that you can talk to me. 1 minute. Okay. Now tell me, we wear casual or dirty clothes every day?
Casual.
Heavy or cotton cloth keep our body cool. Cotton cloth. Yes, what heavy cloth keep our body cool. Yes. We get wool from rubber is used to make okay, very good. We must wash and iron the clothes Yearly or regularly? Regularly. Very well. Very well. Regularly. Very okay. Now on everyone mute your device. Let me call your name. Then you will unmute your device and read out the chapter one by one. Only one paragraph. Okay. But let me take your name. Understand? Let me call you. Everyone now mute your device. All of you keep your device on mute. Acha.
Why do?
Bornapo, Rajdi, Ayush and Ifra. Bornapo, Rajdi, Ayush and Ifra, unmute your device and read out only first paragraph. Bornapo, Rajdi, Ayush. Only first paragraph. Read out first paragraph. Don't unmute your device except the name I'm calling. Okay. Now Bornabho, Rajdi and Ayush. Read the first paragraph only. Okay. Okay. Now Sanchayan Sampriti. Now, okay, very good. Now Sanchayan Sampriti Pratyusha Deeptha. Sanchayan Sampriti Pratyusha and Deeptha.
Why do you think we need clothes? We all clothes we need our body
Read only first paragraph, okay? Only first paragraph. Okay. Now Irene, Akmal Ali, Rihanna and Aryan. Irene, Akmal, Rihanna and Aryan. Ayush, sit down. Ayush, sit down.
They make us look good and smart.
Akmal Ali, Rihanna and Aryan. Read the paragraph. Yes.
Good and smart. Why do you think we need clothes? We all
Okay, very good. Acha, let me tell you, Rihanna and Aryan, where is another one? Rihanna and Aryan, what is your brother? And let me tell you that you need more practice because individually, separately, you are pronouncing a word. Rihanna and Aryan, keep in mind, you are reading a sentence. You are reading out a sentence. And when you are reading out a sentence, you should pronounce all the word togetherly, not like this, that we should get a Don't say like this, okay? Make the sentence properly and then pronounce it. You need more and more practice reading. You need to practice more, okay? So each and every day read. You should practice reading at least for an hour. Okay, good. Please continue.
Okay.
Riyan and Aryan, don't stop. Continue. পড়তে থাকো. Next. Armin? No need to unmute your device. Acha. Ashna, Armin, Samprikta, Mandeep.
Why? You think we
রিহান আরিয়ান তোমরা মিউটই থাকো আমি বললাম পড়তে থাকো নো ডোন্ট আনমিউট ইওর ডিভাইস ওকে
Why do you think we need? Why do you think we need
Armin?
color?
Samprikta
Why color? We need
Arpita Mandeep পড়ো
our body.
read the chapter everyone is reading very good Ashna
Body. Our body. Heat, cold, wind, and
very good Ashna very good Samprikta but Arvin is not reading thank you Acha now Shivani very good Arvika Tirasha now your turn read the chapter what happened Srishti are you fighting every day you fight with someone what happened Srishti okay Srishti unmute your device and read the chapter do
Ma'am, I am going to toilet.
yes go yes go Raisha Divi Orgopal Tirasha all of you now read out the chapter Sumon Chayanika Arshi Swasti Nishan Himadri Zubaidul very good Ifra okay the pronunciation is not higher most of you pronounce it higher the word is where not higher where okay Himadri read Himadri Arshi Arhan Raisha Nishan Swasti read the first paragraph tomorrow we'll give you question to write from this chapter we'll give you true false or fill in the blanks okay practice not higher where Himadri pronounce where
Why we need clothes to cover our body. They cold, hot, cold, wind, and rain.
Okay, very good.
Rain.
Very good. Acha. Vaishani, Ayush, sit quietly. What are you doing? Vaishani, did you read the chapter? Yes or no? Unmute your device.
Yes, no, ma'am.
Now read the second paragraph. Yes, very good, Ayush. Second paragraph.
We wear different types of clothes for different occasions. We wear casually clothes every day, but we wear some special.
Toyonika, what happened? Yes, Vaishani, continue. I think she got muted. Yes. Shivangni, read. Sampriti Haldar, are you sleeping? Sit down. So, student, tomorrow from this chapter, there will be true, false, or fill in the blank. Anything I can give you within class, okay? As because question answer, you know that you will get through study material answer of the question, but fill in the blanks or true, false, I will try to give you in the class, okay? I'll type on the whiteboard and you will copy the same thing in your SST copy,